This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data, so back up with Time Machine or copy the home folder to an external volume. Once done, create a second administrator account. This prevents file locks when you rename. Make sure you log completely out of the account you will change and sign in to the new admin. This lets you safely modify /users without conflicts. Now open Finder to /users or prepare terminal. Either will let you rename the actual home folder. Proceed carefully. You rename the folder in /users now. In Finder, select the user folder and rename it, or use sudo mv/users/oldname/users/newName in terminal for precision. After renaming, open System Settings and go to Users and Groups. Click the lock and authenticate with the admin account you're using. Then choose the target user, open Advanced Options, and change the account name to match the new folder name and set the home directory path to /users/newName. Finish by rebooting the Mac and logging into the renamed account to confirm everything loads normally. Check Documents, Desktop, and App Preferences. If you see permission errors or missing files, open Terminal from the admin account and run sudo chown rnewName, staff/users/newName to fix ownership, then reboot. If the home directory path was mistyped, you may need to revert the advanced options or restore the folder from backup. If you remain locked out, use your backup or reach out to Apple support for recovery guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.